Hmm. Today is the day number 36 of my series of daily coding vlogs. And today is a classic Sunday. It's Sunday, and of course, I also have to rest. By mean rest, sleeping, of course.
Race starting.
So I have not done so much. Let me tell you. First, I wake up around 10. My Normally my day starts at 10. Like, except Sunday, every other day of the week, I wake up at 7, goes to gym, pump some irons, then come home, have a bath, and it's past 10 o'clock that time. But of course, there is a difference between just coming out in half sleep in bed and coming out of the bath with a fresh, newly heated body. Okay, enough with the story time. We will be talking about AJAX. AJAX. I don't know how we pronounce it because it's my first time. I never heard the word AJAX before. I can say AJAX is used to take data from external sources. Okay, I can give you one example. Think of it like this one. You have a web page which is asking you about a particular country that you want information on, and there are hundreds of links. Now if there is a newbie, then what will he will do? He will create a new file for every single link. Like India, then we'll create like india.html, then there's Russia, then it will be create russia.html. There is Canada, then it will create canada.html. It will create thousands of files, because as I said, not thousands, hundreds of files for each country. But with the use of Ajax, I think so it's called Ajax. Don't worry, AJAX. If you ever heard me using Ajax, then refer to this. But in Ajax, what you can do is take all of that information, paste that in one single file in separate div and different paragraph tags. Every paragraph tag will be surrounded by a div tag, and every div tag will have a class. Like if the information is related to India, then the div tag will have class as India. Now here is the thing which will begin. That was a long pause. So here, if you will click the link, if you said you want more information about Russia, then then the link will direct you to that file or bring that link to you. But by using Ajax, what it will do is, I can explain you by the code. No, I can say jQuery actually. jQuery will take the link, and then it will prevent what it should do, and in that link it will take the last thing, and the last thing that we will write is the country, which is India, and it will only call that India part from that file, means only that div container from the file or div box, and then it will show that on a different web page. Automation, if I can say it in simpler words. So as you can see, instead of creating thousands of files containing information for every single link, you can do this, which will make your you know area directing map difficult actually, because now before you had a simple like this link will take you here, but now this link will take you this file, and from this file this part, and that other part can also be accessed by the page or the link. So I think you should only do this if you know that you are going to make too many files. Of course, it's also good and bad if you don't correctly know how to use it. And also, there is also one more thing. Using jQuery will affect the page. By effect, I mean the page will take some time to load, and also it's not like you have it's not like it will take a minute or two. If you have a good internet, then it will take like seconds. You won't even notice. But for those who use 2G or 3G, you will see the difference. I don't know who is using 2G or 3G in Discord, but still, I don't complain about you. And yep, that's what's AJAX. AJAX is more like a server side, so now I can say that finally this REST 35 I will work with. I actually till now I don't use the fundamentals of Linux. Like if I wanted to copy and paste a file, then I can do that in terminal. I have to go in real VNC, and then I will take the file from the GNU and paste it there. I know I am little dumb, but hey, come on. I am just 15 years old. How much will you expect from this guy? It's not like I cannot do everything that you expect. And that's it for today. And see you tomorrow. And bye bye.